This is a 2013 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter engine. I'm going to show you guys how to do the rear brake pads and rotors. So we're going to move this so you could do the lug nuts. First thing you also want to do is get in the car, pop the hood, and you want to actually take off this cap here for the brake reservoir. And now we're going to jack up the car. Alright, got our jack stand. Let's drop this a bit. There we go. We'll move these 5 21mm lug nuts. There we go. And now you can see why we're replacing the rotor. See here, it's scored. All right. So now what we're going to do is actually push this piston in. Try to do is take a pry bar and get behind that pad. This pad right here. You can tell. And then you just, there you go, you push the piston in like that. And now that's all the way in, and that way we know that the caliper's fine. And now we're going to remove the caliper itself. And to remove the caliper, got a 14 up top. And also 14 on bottom. There we go. This one needs loose bad. See, this one dried out. This one's okay. And we can take that caliper, put it to the side, and now remove these pads. See how low this pad is. This one too. See how low they are. We'll just push this back in. And now we're going to remove the brake caliper bracket, which are 19mm. Let's see if my gun would be able to break this free. Yep. The bottom one, and here's the top one. There we go, and then we can move this bracket and clean it up. And the rotor's not seized on there, which is great. So now we can just take the rotor, and there we go. Here we go. Parking brake shoes look good. I'll probably clean that up, get a lot of this brake dust off, and then they'll actually look pretty good. Spray this down some. I might not use my wire brush. Looks pretty good. I'll probably try to clean the face off the hub some though. But this isn't rusted that bad anyway. Move the old brake hardware. Dry this off. get some of this lube off, or rust. This one doesn't look that bad. Now let's take our anti-seize, place it on the brake caliper bracket where the hardware goes. Same thing to the bottom. There we go. Now we're going to take our hardware and align it like that. And just clip it on. Same thing to the bottom. There you go. Now that's done. And now we take our boot. We're going to put it back on the brake caliper bracket. There we go. Like so. And now add lube to the guide bolt. This is the top one. There you go. I'm gonna add a little bit of anti-seize to the rotor here. Now let's take the brake caliper bracket and let's start the threads on these 219s. There you go. Let's do the top one. Make sure that's threaded. There we go. Now I'm gonna tighten them down. Go. And now I'm gonna take brake lube. I'm gonna add it to the caliper here. All right. All right. Now you can take the brake pad and just slide it on the brake caliper bracket. There's the outside, here's the inside, like that. Now I'm gonna apply lube to, actually I'm gonna do the apply lube to the back of this brake pad. And now we put on this brake caliper, line that up. Take your guide bolt. There we go. By hand, these are 14s. And here's the bottom one. There we go. Now let's tighten this up. One on there. Come on, girl. There you go. Now let's clean this off one last time. Ouch. All right. And now we're going to put the Wheel back on. Let's see here. Go. Start by hand. Here's the last one. There we go. Now let's put this wheel on. And now alright, and now I see you guys on the test drive. You know you gotta do the same thing to the other side. Alright, and I put my tools away and I had to move my truck because a customer, well, someone told me that they were actually moving their car. So you open up the hood, put the cap back on top of the reservoir, close the hood, and now we're going to pump the brakes. Pump it till it firms up. Okay. Drive. Got my seatbelt on. Alright, feels good. Let's go. You gotta wait at the light there. So let's make a left. Actually, I'm making another left. Feels pretty good. park. And always remember, for better, faster service, QuickFix here.